is Jason Jenkins. I'm the National Account Acquisition Manager here at USAT Corp. And we're here today on the USAT Hot Seat, and I have Joel with me. Joel, why don't you tell us a little bit about your role and responsibility here at USAT?
Yeah, sure. I'm an inside sales executive. I work with first responders to help them become familiar with equipment to maximize the wireless network. And so this includes in-vehicle solutions as well as branch solutions for failover.
So Joel, what's your favorite part about working at USAT?
Man, I love everything about USAT. I think my favorite thing would be the culture, the environment. Here we, believe in teamwork. Everybody works well together. I have a great relationship with the owners down to fulfillment, services, accounting, marketing. We get along, we play well together. And we're a small company, but yet we sell a lot of equipment.
Yeah, great. So what's your favorite part about your actual job and your role?
Well, I get to put together that perfect solution for the customer. Anything that helps people out to make them become more efficient at their job. I love doing that.
Okay. And what vertical would you say you work the most in right now?
I work mostly with public safety. I cover the South Central states, which includes Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, as well as Missouri, Mississippi, and Kansas.
Okay. Let's can't forget about Kansas. Let's get a little bit more into you. What's your favorite movie?
Favorite movies? I have two. Tombstone is one of them, and Shawshank Redemption.
Oh man,
I can watch them anytime.
Whenever Shawshank's on, you can't turn it off, right?
Exactly.
Are you a Netflix or Hulu guy?
I'm a Netflix guy, even though it takes me about 30 minutes to ever find anything to watch, but
they got some good stand-up on Netflix.
They do.
So a little bit about you. Married, kids, pets?
Yeah, married 15 years to my beautiful wife.
Congrats.
In case she's watching. I have a 14-year-old daughter and a pet, a dog.
Awesome. What's the dog's name?
Tucker.
All right, well, it sounds like a beautiful family, Joel. Appreciate your time. You're officially off the USAT Hot Seat.